I chose Screencast-O-Matic for quick and easy uploads. You just download a recorder software and install. Tutorials are easily available and very user-friendly. Video lengths are limited to 15 minutes, which is pretty nice because they also coincide with how long our assignments are supposed to be. Personally, I plan on using Screencast-O-Matic to help build videos and tutorials for some work functions and procedures, which, as we're developing more and more procedures and sharing more software and different pieces of information at work, it will become critical to be able to write the procedures and help show people exactly where they need to go, while also building some videos to later share with family. Here we're looking at the tutorial. They show you how to record, use the video editors. They go through different processes of video and saving. You've got recorder draw and zoom, scripted recording, some video editing, tons of different types of video editing, back restoring, some team help, some tips, tricks, featured videos, all kinds of incredible different pieces of information to help you out. User interface is just really, really nice. Again, you can use it for education purposes, work, developers. They have different plans available, so if you actually do plan on having videos longer than 15 minutes, you will have to upgrade. But just a very smooth, easy piece of software to use. Great plans, tons of different things, and a lot of the different editing pieces are just really, really nice to use. And easily bridges with Google so that you can upload to YouTube, something I personally plan on using to be able to create videos and be able to share with families later on, specifically those that don't live in the same state, or for my daughter who it's a little too young for, but eventually she'll be able to share in some fun ideas and some things that I'm creating for her when she is a teenager. And we'll probably think this is lame. Thank you everyone for watching and listening, and hope you enjoyed and you give Screencast-O-Matic a try. It's definitely something I'm going to enjoy working with, not only for school, but also for work and some personal life things. Thank you.